Yes, sir.
When is Earth Day celebrated?
22 April.
22 April. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Moriam.
Yes, sir.
When is Education Day celebrated?
11 November.
11 November. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Amina.
Yes, sir.
When is Hindi Day celebrated?
14 September.
14 September. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Hasina. When is International Human Rights Day celebrated?
10 December.
10 December. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Arifa. When is Labor Day celebrated?
Has me.
1st May. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Noor.
Yes, sir.
When is National Science Day celebrated?
28 February.
28 February. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Imran.
Yes, sir.
When is National Voters Day celebrated?
25 February.
25 February. No, 25 January. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Wahab.
Yes, sir.
When is Sports Day celebrated?
29 August.
29 August. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Moriam.
Yes, sir.
When is World Environment Day celebrated?
5 June.
5 June. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Shahanas.
Yes, sir.
When is World Handicap Day celebrated?
3 December.
3 December. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Runa.
Yes, sir.
Where in the Indian Military Academy located?
Dehradun.
Dehradun. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Roham.
Yes, sir.
Where is Lotus Temple located?
New Delhi.
New Delhi. Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Iman.
Yes, sir.
Where is Sun Temple located?
Odisha.
Urisha.
Odisha.
Good. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Where is Qutub Minar located?
Delhi.
Delhi. Good. Sit down.